There is a say that knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Today I'm going to discuss a window. It has got four quadrants. It is very much related with the communication. It's called the JOHARY window. It is basically a model of human interaction and the information receiving and giving kind of things. And it was invented by two scientists. One is Joseph Love and another is Hary. And from their name of the window or the model is named as JOHARY window. As I said from the beginning that knowing own self is the beginning of all wisdom. Before getting a lot of knowledge about the external world, other things, first know yourself. If we ask ourselves two questions, one is how well do we know ourselves? Or how much time we spend to know ourselves, our own self, I mean to say. You'll find that very less time is spent to know about our own self. We are spending, for the qualification, a lot of other things. We are spending our most of the time for the external world, and we are always, avoiding to know our own self. Today I'll be sharing this model called JOHARY window, which talks about knowing our own self. Say, if I ask you, what is your natural preferred ego state? 90% people doesn't know. If I say, what is your natural preferred sense? Even 80 to 90% people doesn't know. Even many people doesn't understand what is the meaning of these questions. Even they have done the graduations, master degrees, etc. If I ask, what is your BMI, what is your WHR, what is your WCR, people don't know. These are the basic information about our own self. Even very easiest question, if you ask to people, what is the shape of your face? 70 to 80% people don't know what is the shape of our face. What is our inborn intelligence? We all know that there are 8 multiple intelligence, and any of the intelligence must be there with all of us. But many people even, this life is passing away and people don't know what is the intelligence they had with. How much honest we are? If we get, 1 million rupees on road, what will be doing with that? It is very difficult to answer this question. Now, before getting to this JOHARY window, there are 3 important terms which are very much connected to that, and you also need to know. These words are known to all of us. I try to discuss in a different way. Number 1 is the personality, character, and the reputation. What are these things? You'll find a lot of definition what is called personality, but I like that definition. What I mean to say is that personality is a kind of mask that we wear on our face to show to the outside world. Or you can say that personality is who we are, what we do when everyone is looking at us. But character is who we are, what we do when nobody is looking at us. Personality is a kind of shoes that we wear, but character is where we want to go with that shoes. Personality is the dresses that we wear at a gym to show to the other people. But character is how much hard work we do at the gym. Hope you have got this point. What is personality? What is character? Personality is basically what we create for our own self, the image to the external world. Character is what inside of us, which people cannot see actually. And the word means reputation. Reputation is nothing but a personality, what we create for our own self. Now in JOHARY window there are 4 quadrants. One is called open window, one is called blind, another is called the hidden, another is the unknown window. You can see here this 4 quadrant. Now the first one is open. Open window means there are many quality in all of us that we know about those quality and other people also know about those quality. These are basically physical quality or the external quality or the visible quality. There is no problem with those qualities actually. We all are aware of this. Now the second window is called the blind window. Here there are many qualities in you which you know, but other people don't know about those quality in you. It may be a positive quality, it may be negative quality. This is very, very important quadrant to work actually to improve our knowing our own self perspective. We may list down those qualities. What are those qualities that I know only that these are the qualities in me, but other people don't know. And if we find that there are a lot of qualities in me, those are negative qualities, then we need to give up those qualities. And a lot of qualities, I have those qualities, but other people don't know those qualities. Then we need to nourish those qualities and we improve those qualities. So it's basically the mental qualities or internal qualities or invisible qualities. Those are there in the blind quadrant or the second quadrant. Third quadrant is called the hidden quadrant, where there are many qualities in you which you don't know, but other people know about those qualities in you. This is very dangerous actually. So we need to get, and it is also not easy to identify what are those qualities in me that I don't know, but other people know. And obviously there will be negative qualities and positive qualities. So there are many different ways to get the feedback from people that what are those qualities in me which I don't know and they know it. Then we get to segregate those, whether it is a positive, whether it is a negative, and accordingly we need to whether we'll give up those qualities, whether we'll nourish this quality to improve. And the fourth quadrant is called the unknown quadrant, where there are many qualities in you which you don't know and other people don't know. Normally we don't need to give a lot of focus on this fourth quadrant, but second and third quadrant focusing on is very, very important. And as at the beginning I have said that knowing our own self is the beginning of all wisdom. So we make a strategy actually that first we need to know our own self. Then only if we don't know yourself, then it is impossible to know the other people actually. And we mistake this actually. We spend a lot of time to know other people and we don't know our own self. If we know our own self, then automatically you will be knowing other people's. And what I meant to say is it will be easier to know other people and the life will be much easier. Thank you so much for your attention and time.